Okay, I will say 62 and 63 remarkably alike, but they're not the same. So someone says, what would you do over here? You know, I think I still would go for letting u equal something. I'm going to let u equal, again, we're doing 63 now. I'm going to say equals x squared. And then du would be 2x dx. All right? Now, granted, some of it really doesn't help me, but you could rewrite it now. I mean, that does help to rewrite something. And I do see the x cubed there, and I know that's x squared times x. And then I get e to the x squared dx. Well, let's keep going through that, and one step at a time. So, kind of looking at it, the first thing I'd probably do is e to the x squared. What's that going to be? E to the u. And I'll write that down for you. And then I'm looking at this x dx, and that's a half of a du. So again, I'm looking at x, I'm looking at x dx, and that's 1/2 of a du. And then I'm looking at that x squared, and what's that equal to? It's u. All right, so I'm going to say right now, I think I see something, although it might be a little strange to you, I do see something that's probably going to be integration by parts at this point. I'm going to start over here. Again, what's the problem with this? It's a little bit problematic that I got to use different letters than u and v. So let's go through that. Let's put down. I'm going to write down u equals v, and then du would equal dv, of course. And let's see, UVW. So I'm going to put down, let's see, EU du would be dw. And what would that be? That would mean EU would equal w. And again, the constant integration we'll do at the very end. So let's write this down. I do want to point out I have a tendency to forget things sometimes. And I don't want to forget this 1/2 in the problem. But, granted, that's what nice about an answer key. If I do forget something, I will see I forgot that. But I do not want to forget that 1/2 now. Put this down over here, and I'm going to do the integration by parts. So it's going to be, let's see, it's going to be u EU minus, let's see, e to the u du. Now, that's not so bad. Well, let's keep moving along. What do you get over here? 1/2 u e to the u minus e to the u plus some constant of integration. So what I'm going to do over here is, go back to what the u was. And the u was equal to, let's see, x squared. Let's write this down. So it's x squared e to the x squared over 2 minus e to the x squared plus some constant integration. I'll put a little box in this over here. And I'm going to look at the key now. I noticed in the key they did something. They combined the two terms together. Maybe I should do that too. Common of 2. And you would get x squared e to the x squared minus 2 e to the x squared. All right, red pen again. Let's take a look at it. I got the 2. I got x squared e to the x squared. And I noticed I made a mistake somewhere. Now, I wonder if I made a mistake in my key or elsewhere. But let me take a look at it. I'm seeing this, and I'm seeing this. There's a mistake somewhere. Now, granted, what I'm going to do is try to figure out where I made the mistake, by the way. And like I said, I forgot something. And what did I forget? I forgot that half again. And I realized that by looking at my answer key. This is important. I'm going to back up, erase. And it's important you start to look at a key and say, what went wrong? Is the key wrong, or is what you did wrong? And you really got to resolve that. I'm not saying my keys can't be wrong, but I don't know. Let's take a look. So what I forgot, I said I forgot the half, right? I'll put that down now. Again, I forgot to take this half. I did script this, but I forgot to do it across that. I just forgot. Let's write that down again. So common denominator 2. What was u equal to? X squared. Let's write this down. Again, it's nice to have a key to go back and look. Red pen's going to come out again. Who knows? Maybe another mistake. And I'm seeing it now. Seeing the 2 here. X squared, do the X squared minus C. Yep, as advertised. Thank you.